my ass, show my thong, do my thing, ain't nothing wrong, ain't nothing wrong. Shake, now drop, what your mama said. Shake, now drop, what your daddy said. Shake, now drop, what your sister said. Shake, now drop.
Maging millionaire bago matapos ang linggong ito, Stephen Rosario at Ryan. Ang sangkatutak na cash na dala ni Diana, pwedeng iuwi mo na. Chiharu, Adel at Randy. Alang, Joylicious.
Wala pang tanungan, pero panalo na agad kayo ng 1,000 load from Globe at may kaspang dala ang Sex Bomb!
Si Luis! Breaking it up and setting it up in the real way, making the girls them chill their mind, making them have a good time. Yeah, man. SBZ, yo, alongside Riri. Come down now, Rihanna. Take it to them, girl. Juggle and pain when you feel all the while. And you want a good man to give her the style. Right side, listen up on my file. It's a long time now, my one blow the style. Blow the style, my car run like the Nile. The most energy, my one give her tonight. Give her tonight and make you feel right. Make you feel like a kite and beat a new ice car. We give it to the girl, them make them reel up on ball and make them start. Anytime she wants it back, she have to call. When she fall, I'm hitting it on the spot and now the rain starts. Penetrate so great, cause you feel it up and down. What you think, say?
Work it up.
Immediate if not before.
Feeling naughty. I wanna know, boy, if I could be a shawty. Set it up, boy, make me hot all over my body.
Break it off, take it off, no mistake it off. Yo.
Luis! Yan si Luis.
Magkano ang tatanggapin ng bawat contestant? 1,000 pesos.
Luis.
At kayo ang una, Joe.
Okay, simulan natin ang tanungan. Letter A, Rosario Ansale.
Butata! Sino sa tatlo? Wala, inosente lahat ang look eh. Okay, pwesto. It's showtime! Wow! What? Kita mo yan?
Alam mo, ang galing ni Maika. Pero mas magaling ko si Ira.
Si Ira yan!
Kaya nga.